And this is why most of small companies, they don't grow, because they were not created to grow. It was not the plan from the very beginning. Why small business doesn't grow and also remain the same page on the same level? It happens because most of people who start a small business, they think it's about their purposes. You know, life is pretty simple. Almost every time we get what we really want. And most of business owners, when it comes to small business, they start some business with the idea to become financially independent and to get some money, to get some income, or to have a comfortable workplace, or to deal with, because most of them are experts in some area, doctors, lawyers, constructors. They love this profession, they love this area, and they want to have some comfortable job place. And the truth is, they don't create real business. They just create some job, some position for them. And at the result, they found out that it's not that easy, because you cannot be just a lawyer or cannot be just a doctor. You need to hire people, you need to fire them, you need to organize them somehow. But for them, all these circumstances, they become like a burden. They don't love it. They really, because these people, small business owners, most of them, they, you know, when they prepare to start their business, they don't dream like, oh, I'm dreaming about dozens or maybe hundreds employees. I'm dreaming about how I'm going to promote them our goals, how to provide them with strategy, how I'm going to organize them, how to control all these managers, how they report me, and how I adjust their plans and everything. No, they don't dream about it. They dream about how I'm going to handle my customers, how I'm going to fix this furniture, or to deal with my patients or clients or whatever. Look at this. And we get the same, exactly the same thing what we dream about. And this is why most of small companies, they don't grow, because they were not created to grow. It was not the plan from the very beginning. And this is why, to grow, first, their business owners, they have to change their mindset. They have to understand that they are business people, they are business owners. They are not doctors, lawyers, or some other guys. They are business owners, and they have to think about organization, they have to think about marketing, they have to think about strategy, because this is their job. And it's kind of challenge to be an owner of a small company, tiny company with only few employees, and the same thing, at the same time, think about all this future things, strategical things. It's a challenge. And this challenge, this is the reason why most of them don't grow.